Hello guys, I'm Jared from Extract Labs. On this week of CBD Eats, we are going to be showing you how to make some lemon sour diesel ice cream. We'll go over all the ingredient lists, we'll make it up, and then we'll show you how to throw it together and impress your friends. What you'll need to get started, we're going with a quart of half and half, a quart of heavy whipping cream. We'll use about a half a teaspoon of lemon zest. We got about 400 grams of sugar here. Yellow food coloring to give it a nice pretty color for our final product. We have some cannabis-derived terpenes, sour diesel flavor. That's where we're getting the lemon sour diesel. We're also gonna add in 3 grams of CBD isolate and 3 grams of CBD distillate. We'll go ahead and get started by mixing all of our wet ingredients together. Start out with the half and half. And then our heavy whipping cream. I don't know if I mentioned we're going to be adding a little bit of vanilla in there. Not much. It doesn't take much to add some flavoring to that. A little bit of food coloring. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. You can always add more if need be. And then our sour diesel. Brings me back to high school. Again, these terpenes are very potent, so we're literally just putting a few drops in there. And then we'll dip into the isolate. Add that lemon zest. We'll go with some distillate. I think people are going to be ready to relax after they have a bowl full of this. Let's get that last little bit in there. Now it's safe for us to start adding our sugar as well. And then you just go to Grandma's cupboard. Make sure you ask before you borrow her mixer. And then we'll mix it. Turn that guy down a little bit. Now we're ready to throw it on our cold stone. We're going to be doing a traditional rolled ice cream here. About 2 spoonfuls. Trick is to try to roll it as thin as you can. I've never worked at Cold Stone, so I don't want to be getting any calls saying that I'm doing it wrong. So, try to thin it out. We'll add a little fresh lemon zest onto it. I think it just needs to chill for a little bit. While we're waiting for this to chill, I can tell you about some of the isolate that we use. It is over 70% cannabinoids. It was derived from cherry wine, if I'm not mistaken. Very hardy strain, grows well in the Midwest. Makes excellent ice cream. And then, oh, see, there's no rolling action going on here. But all right. and that is how you make lemon sour diesel ice cream. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date with all of our future episodes. Thanks again for joining us on this installment of CBD Eats. Bye guys.